If your rhododendron's leaves are turning brown, you've probably already tried the obvious fixes: more water, less water, a shot of fertilizer. Here's the uncomfortable part. There are 12 different named causes for a struggling rhododendron, and treating the wrong one can waste an entire season. Let's find yours. Yardener's plant files actually keep a full symptom chart for this shrub, and it breaks down cleaner than you'd think. Wilted branches with holes in the stems, that's borers. Yellow leaves with the veins staying green, iron chlorosis. Spotted undersides, lacebug. Holes chewed straight through the leaf, weevils. Whole sections stripped to the skeleton, Asiatic beetle. A shrub that just won't thrive, calcium deficiency. Reduced vigor overall, bark scale. Flowers collapsing on their own, petal blight. Leaves yellowing and collapsing together, wilt disease. A white powder coating the leaves, powdery mildew. And then the two closest to home: deer eating the leaves and stems outright, or a dog using the same corner of the yard every day. Borers are the one to actually worry about first, because they kill fast. They're worm-like, about half an inch long, yellowish white, the larvae of small black moths, and they tunnel in underneath the bark, girdling the stem from the inside. You'll see holes with fine sawdust right at the entrance, and everything past that point wilts and turns brown because the stem simply can't move water anymore. The fix: cut out and trash any infested twigs below the holes, crush visible eggs in June before they hatch, and for a bad infestation, spray the bark itself with predatory nematodes in the evening. They travel into the tunnels and take the larvae out from the inside. A shrub with chronic borer trouble is usually stressed by something else too, so that's worth a second look. The second most common one is iron chlorosis, and it looks nothing like the borer damage. Leaves turn yellow, but the veins stay sharply green, like a stencil. That pattern means the soil's pH has drifted too alkaline for a rhododendron, which is naturally an acid-loving shrub. It can't pull iron out of alkaline soil even if the iron is technically there. I'll be straight with you, the full fix for adjusting soil pH is worth checking against the current soil tests rather than guessing, but the yellow veins stay green pattern itself is the reliable tell that rules out drought or transplant stress. The rest run through fast so you can match yours: spotted leaf undersides, lacebug. Chewed holes, weevils, usually at night. Whole leaves stripped bare, Asiatic beetle. A shrub that just won't put on new growth, calcium deficiency. General fading vigor, bark scale on the stems. Flowers collapsing while everything else looks fine, petal blight. Leaves yellowing and wilting together, not just spotting, a wilt disease, not drought. A white, powdery coating, powdery mildew. Leaves and stems visibly eaten in chunks, deer, especially overnight. And foliage burned in one specific, repeated spot. That's not a disease at all, that's a dog. 12 causes, 12 different fixes. The fastest way to waste a season is treating the wrong one. Match the symptom before you touch the fix. That's really the whole video. Full write-up with all 12, plus what to actually do for each one, is up at gardening.yardener.com. Go look at your rhododendron leaves turning brown one more time. Now you'll know which one you're looking at.